How you going, everyone? Quick update today. Not going to go too crazy into this, but what I'm going to do is just going to give you an update of what I've got done over today. Because it's only today. It's only Saturday. I gave you an update yesterday. Don't get greedy. So it's 10:30 at night. So I thought it was about time I get it done and get it uploaded because I've still got to upload it. So I ended up doing that HP laptop. Got the good board out of the bad housing and put that into the good housing. The board from that, I'll deal with that later. It's not urgent now. My main thing is to get more laptops listed so I can sell them. I've got 3 of those Dells done for the keyboard swaps. There's another one, just finishing updates on that. There's another one over there I'm going to start doing in a minute, and another one there. There is another one under there. So I know I didn't buy all the motherboards I needed, the keyboards I needed. I bought enough to do a heap and then thought maybe I could do some button swaps to finish off others. Now, if that doesn't happen, it doesn't matter. I can just go and order some keyboards. It's not the end of the world, but they're like, I'm going to say 30 or 40 bucks each. If I can save 30 or 40 bucks, I will. There's no guarantees you're going to, but at the end of the day, if I can, I will, because it's money. But overall, yeah, so that's pretty much what I got done when it comes to repairs. I did get that done as well. Got a touchscreen whiteboard up, so how cool is that? I don't know. We'll give it a shot, see if it brings anything to the party. I'm not 100% convinced. I don't know. We'll see. Worst case, it makes a really good screen. Actually, it is a really nice screen. So that's about it for updates for today. I'm not going to do any updates on turnover or listing. I haven't done any listing, so I'm not going to give you any of those. But also, I'm not going to give you any turnover numbers because I'm going to wait for Monday. So don't not come back tomorrow. Come back for some updates tomorrow. But I might surprise you. I might do it tomorrow and trick you and say I'm going to do it Monday, but do it tomorrow. So you better come back tomorrow and watch it. So I'm only joking. I'm only going to do it Monday. So today's just an update, and tomorrow will be just an update as well. My main thing for tomorrow is I just want to kind of get cleaned up, and I'll keep doing the repairs because it's just what I need to do. And should I just spend? No, I think I'm going to do that. So tomorrow I'm going to do repairs, clean up. And then I think what I'm going to do is Monday is going to be the day that I go crazy listing. I'm just going to spend the whole day listing, and then I'll do a listing video on what I've listed, how much, and what I've sold, which is not much because yesterday I sold a bit. I sold a few things yesterday, but today I've sold nothing. Today has been nothing, no messages, nothing. I mean, I sold a graphics card on eBay for $100, but that's it. So don't get too excited about the figures on Monday. But that's all right, swings and roundabouts. I might need to have another look at the pricing. I've got some of this stuff on Facebook and just maybe even drop $100 off each of them just to try and get some movement going, because the name of the game is buying and selling. It's not buying and keeping, because that's just hoarding, and that's not what I want to do. So that gets me nowhere. So it looks good, but until it becomes that old that it doesn't look good anymore. So let's stay away from hoarding. Anyway, I'm going to let you all go. Thanks for watching. If you watched it all the way through, have a great afternoon, night, morning, all the above, and we'll come back tomorrow and see if we can knock a few more repairs off. And then, like I say, Monday we'll smash out some listings. Have a great one. See you soon. Bye.